This is Miss Sandy. This is an instructional video to investigate arrays. Our essential question that we're going to investigate today is, what is an array? An array is a way of arranging things in rows and columns. If you take a look at our example here, there's some pinto beans. The rows are the horizontal lines that go from left to right. So left to right. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, row 4, row 5, and this is row 6. Rows go from left to right, and we have 6 rows. The columns are vertical lines that go from the top to the bottom. So looking at our example, we have column 1, we have column 2, we have column 3, column 4, and this is column 5. Arrays always contain rows and columns. Things that are arranged in an array create a rectangular shape or a square shape. So a rectangular shape would look similar to this, and a square shape would look similar to this. We can write number sentences for these arrays. So we can use repeated addition or multiplication for these number sentences. Let's take a look. Where would we start? We take a look at the number of rows that we had. And we already determined that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Okay. Then we're going to take a look at the columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, so in row 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinto beans. So our repeated addition sentence is going to start with 5 because we have 5 in the first row. Our second row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 more pinto beans that we're going to add to our collection. And we're going to take a look at the third row. The third row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beans in it. And let's take a look at the fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our fifth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In our sixth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinto beans. Okay, so when we add these up, we're going to skip count by 5s. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30. So our number sentence when we're using repeated addition would look similar to this. The other way of taking a look at this is multiplication. So when we're doing a multiplication sentence when it comes to arrays, we're always going to start with the rows. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 6 rows, and then in each column we have 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our multiplication sentence would look like 6 times 5. And 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, how would we check to make sure that we had this correct? We can count the individual beans, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So in both of our sentences we have 30, and that's the same amount of beans that we have. So that works out. Another way of looking at it is if you do the repeated addition. We have 5 here, and we're adding 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. We have another 5 here. 10 plus 5 is 15. We have another 5 here. 15 plus 5 is 20. We have another 5 here. 20 plus 5 is 25, and we have another 5 here. 25 plus 5 is 30.